Hello, this is Alexander Green, Chief Investment Strategist with the Oxford Club. Thanks for watching, and I want to remind you that you can subscribe to these market updates just by clicking on the link below and signing up. Today, we're going to talk about whether the market is rigged, and if so, what you can do about it. You know, this week we have CEOs and Wall Street bankers on the hot seat in front of Congress testifying as to whether they or others have been manipulating the market. And I can tell you that market manipulation has been going on as long as there have been markets for hundreds of years. Some thinly traded stocks, small cap companies without much volume, are easy to manipulate because if you can get a buzz going about them online, as happened with so many meme stocks this past spring, they can run up, and then of course when the hoopla dies down, they come right back down. But there are other forms of market manipulation going on as well. And in fact, it's surprising to know that right now there are less Americans invested in stocks today than there were before the Great Recession in 2008. Less people invested in stocks. Now, how can that be? Well, it turns out that the majority of investors think the market is rigged. They think it's like a casino in some ways, and they think it's manipulated in other ways. Is the market like a casino? Well, yes, it can be just like a casino if you want it to be. People who are jumping in and out hour by hour, betting on Apple or Microsoft or Netflix for a matter of minutes or an hour and a half, they're just gambling. That's not even intelligent speculation. That's just like sitting around betting on coin flips. And as long as the market's going up, you can actually make some money that way. But as Warren Buffett famously said, you only find out who's been swimming naked when the tide goes out. And so those people are in, a lot of them, for a rude awakening. But there's another way that the market is like a casino, but in a good way. And that is, when you own a stock, you don't just have something in your account, a number that's showing up in a name. You have a fractional interest in a business. And for instance, a casino is a business. And in fact, casino stocks have been some of the best performing stocks over the last few years and decades. I have one, Red Rock Resorts, in one of my trading services. It's up over 150% in less than a year. So why not be the casino owner rather than the casino gambler? That's what the market offers you if you're interested. But there are other forms of manipulation and gambling going on in the market. And one of the things that big hedge funds and institutions, trading houses do is they're hiding their trades in so-called dark pools. And this seems very mysterious, but it actually isn't to anybody who takes the time to find out what it's all about, what these institutions are doing, and how you can profit from the very same technique. As a matter of fact, I have a webinar coming up on June 3rd with best-selling author and longtime subscriber Bill O'Reilly. And we're going to be talking about just what goes on in these mysterious dark pools, how people make money with these trades, and how you can too. So I encourage you to sign up. Again, it's June 3rd, and you can sign up below, and we'd love to have you participate. So again, this is Alexander Green, Chief Investment Strategist of the Oxford Club. Thanks for watching.